Chicken wings have got to be one of the best appetisers, and today I'm going to make crispy oven-baked chicken wings smothered in a spicy buffalo sauce and served with a creamy blue cheese dip. I've got the oven preheating to 120C or 250F, and now we're going to prepare the chicken wings. I've got a kilo of wings here, and I'm going to cut each wing at the joint, so you've got a mini wing and a drumette. You should be able to feel with your fingers where there's a space in between the two bones, and that's where you need to cut. Dry the wings with some paper towels, and then we're going to place in a large bowl. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper to the bowl. It's really important to use baking powder and not baking soda. Baking powder will help to draw the moisture out of the skin of the chicken and make it really nice and crisp, whereas baking soda will just make it taste disgusting. Also, check on the ingredients of your baking powder. Make sure that it's aluminium-free baking powder. Some people can taste bitterness when aluminium has been added to the baking powder, so aluminium-free is the way to go. Mix together, then place the chicken wings on a wire rack. You can place them quite close together and discard any remaining coating. They're going to go on a low shelf in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the oven up to 220 degrees C or 425F and cook for a further 45 to 50 minutes until the wings are lovely and golden and crisp. Take the wings out of the oven and let them cool slightly whilst we make the buffalo sauce. In a small saucepan, add 2/3 of a cup or 150 ml of hot sauce. I use Frank's hot sauce, half a cup or 120 grams of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of cider vinegar, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 minced cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of honey, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat them on a medium to high heat and let it simmer for a couple of minutes until you get this consistency. Now we'll make the super simple blue cheese sauce. We're just going to throw all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them together. We're going to add half a cup or 120 grams of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1/3 of a cup or 75 grams of soft blue cheese or the blue cheese cream like I'm using, half a tablespoon of cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of dried parsley. Next, we're going to coat the wings in the buffalo sauce. Give the sauce a little whisk first, as the oil will have separated from it slightly, and then pour over. I'm serving these with that blue cheese sauce and some celery and carrot. They're going to go down a treat.